Uh-oh. Okay.
Happy birthday, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope everybody's doing good. Stay sanitized, living. Loving on the people that love on you and pointing to the people that point to you because life is so short. But today, I'm going to show you the St. Patrick's Day decorations that I have set up in the house for March. Now, before you even get started, it's not much.
Wrong answer, forehead.
Well, I did have a whole bin full of St. Patrick's Day stuff, but once I started pulling stuff out, I needed more. And then when I went to go get more, they ain't have no more. So we're just gonna make it do what it do with what we got. So let's start on the porch. We have this gnome. I got this from Joann's, and it was actually 70% off because it has that on the back. But the nose was like, it was like this, but I didn't like that. So I supposedly spray painted it pink. But yeah. So then we have these little flowers and things. It's giving cemetery decorations, but we're gonna go with it. Then we have this welcome mat. It's really nice. The wind has been blowing, so everything is on it. And then we have this wreath. Again, everybody was sold out of everything. This is what's left. Welcome. Come on. Then we have here a little pot of gold with a top hat to go with the books and flowers. Over here we have the little three-leaf clover. Okay, let's go.
Don't start that.
Okay, disregard my mother's things here, but we have the centerpiece of the table, as well as the stuff on the bottom. Dollar Tree. And then we have those little three-leaf clover pillows. Or are they called shamrocks?
Shamrocks.
We have those shamrocks there. Those come from Joann. Coming over here to the kitchen table, we have this Dollar Tree pot of gold. Got some gold on the table, you know, with a couple little accents, yeah. I feel like, what's her name?
Mary Poppins?
No, from on TikTok. Elegant. I am such and such from Elegant Home Interior Design. We have here, I can't remember her name. I'm about to figure it out.
Hello everyone, my name is Alice Elm and I'm the owner of Elegant Interior Decorating. This beautiful wall mirror, the bedding, wall art, this beautiful gray and black lamp and decor on the nightstand.
But we got this little thing here. I still haven't switched the bar cart over yet, so this is what's on the bar cart. It's a cute little 1-2. Over here we have the pot of gold. Uh-oh. Okay.
It was like,
What'd you say?
it was how you said said, okay.
Okay.
You still in the accent?
Irish Riches and Shamrock Kisses. And the pot of gold here with the candy, the goodies that everybody looks so forward to getting. Oh. Surprise. Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. And we have a little mat here. Gnomes. Just stuff these little shamrocks everywhere. A little boot. Oh, and then you have that. I don't know what that is. And then we have this up here. Shenanigans with my gnomies. Cute. Look at the little ball pot. This has nothing to do with St. Patrick's Day, y'all. But I think that is so cute. And we have some decorations here that's supposed to go up. I just bought this up, but these are lights. But they go for batteries on. I don't have no batteries. So I gotta get some batteries. Those are so cute. I'm gonna drape them in the kitchen, kind of spruce it up a bit. Some extra coins and those extra shamrock picks. And then here we have the flowers. This has nothing to do with St. Patrick's Day at all. Then we have the TV stand. Well, the TV stand. Have this little garland here. A good friend is like a 4-leaf clover. Hard to find and lucky to have. One of my friends gave me this Whitney. Some more shamrocks. And then we have the star of the shade. The tree. Get into it. Okay, Pam, talk about it. What's a song I could sing to go with that? We represent the lollipop kill, the lollipop kill, the lollipop kill. We represent the lollipop kill. And it's really, really cute, y'all. I don't think the video does it any justice as if I see the video. Added those little shamrock lights because I couldn't really figure out where I wanted to put them at because they weren't really like huge or long. So I put one up here. Also added my footstool over here. But I added them to the corner in the kitchen and left the pink lights. I don't know if it's doing it for me. What do y'all think? It's cute. I'll let you see what it looks like with the lights on. I think it's really pretty. It'll do. Hell, it's my kitchen. I especially love that pink bow. Yeah, but it wasn't a lot available. They still don't have a lot of St. Patrick's stuff left, so it is what it is. But we're gonna go with this. That pretty much wraps up the St. Patrick's Day decor that I have set up in my home. It'll pretty much be up the whole March. Next season is Easter. I'm gonna go ahead and buy that stuff like literally next week because I'm not gonna run into the same issue that I ran into with St. Patrick's Day. But make sure y'all like this video. Make sure you drop that in the comments and let me know. Did y'all decorate for St. Patrick's Day? Do you still have your tree up like I do? Let me know down in the comments, y'all. Most importantly, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video.
What's going on? You say this almost every day.
Make sure you have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you won't miss it. I don't think that's what I be saying, but I can't remember right now. I'm having a brain freeze, brain fart, blind moment. Anywho, we are in the 21 days of Candace. Meaning you'll get a video posted every day up until the 21st, y'all. So make sure that those notifications are on because you'll never know when I post a video. But you're going to get one every day. It's like Christmas in March. early Christmas gift. Thank you. You're welcome. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If no one has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all in the next 21 days of Candace video. Love you guys. Bye.